Oceans Wave 45. Congratulations, El Salvador. You have declared waves of El Salvador's small Pacific coast of 15 kilometers reserve. Therefore, no one can touch such coastline and people will be able to surf perpetuity. Let me explain again, just in case you politicians don't know what this is. This is a calculator, right? Now, this is a paper, and a pen. Every 300 meters, 300, okay, we can generate one wave. So if El Salvador has, let's say, 15,000 kilometers, we could generate approx 15,000, then you must divide, divide by 300. That's 50. 50? Okay, you can write 50. Okay, 50 waves. Now, 50 waves times 300 jobs each. Direct. Indirect is 3,300 because it's 10 and 1, 11. So that's 3,300 and then times 50. So 50 times 3,300 equals 165,000. Okay, you write it. Okay, I'll write it for you just in case you have tendinitis and you cannot write. 165,000 jobs perpetuity. You can multiply times $20,000 each per year. Okay, you can do that. Can you do that? Perhaps a young person in your political party, wherever you are in the coastline, and then you will find out how much intrinsic value you generate for your country, because that means that revenue is direct, becomes income. Do you understand? So it means that dollars or euros go to El Salvador because people will invest long term. Americans, Peruvians also have a one wave protected. Chile, beautiful wave, one wave protected. Now everybody will go surfing to El Salvador. Everybody. How many tourists? Well, these are just the jobs that would be generated. Tourists, you can generate, let's say, another 165,000. So this 15 kilometers of El Salvador will generate 320,000 homes. Construction, butchers, bakers, hotels, restaurants, school, physio, surface schools, trainers, doctors, nurses, the whole village. Okay, think about that, dear politicians. Okay, go slow. In Spain, we only have 2,000 kilometers coast for the Atlantic. You can multiply. Perhaps you need some young guys to help you. Perhaps they need to have a doctor's degree. Okay? Thank you, El Salvador. Gracias. Adiós.